Hello everyone, Rick Brunstetter here. About half a year ago, I said something like this.
Had a couple friends of mine who have never actually seen the Fridge Killer movie before, and had them sit down and watch it for the first time. To make things better, we filmed their reactions.
And finally, after waiting this long for it, I bring you, Tom and Will, watch The Life of a Refrigerator Killer. Alright, it's rolling.
Oh, hello, viewers. I'm Tom, the Reverend Tom Hennessy, and this is my hetero life mate, Will Lenhart, the famous DM and host of Famous Lynching as, "Hey, look, that's a minority," or "Hey, look, that's a werewolf." Sometimes we're about to watch The Life of a Refrigerator Killer, a TheRicworks production. We're very excited. Hopefully you've seen this movie. You are going to see our reaction. Because I've never seen it before. Fancy.
Most illogical.
Alright, here we go.
Rolling. No. No, there we go.
You know, one day we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to say, hey.
Just hey. That's all we'll say to them.
Well, I would say alfalfa, but I don't like that guy.
Right.
It's a TheRicworks production. Ooh. I can tell that rain's real because it looks like one of my nightmares I've had. Looks like kind of like anime, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like it's anime playing?
It's gonna be a long 38 minutes.
I can't tell if it's a robot masturbating or if he's playing Mech Warrior.
I believe he's supposed to be flying.
I think that plane just pooped something. It's like Con Air. Nicolas Cage is gonna be in the fridge.
He's just dropping for
Oh, he's stepping in macaroni. Do you still make macaroni? Like macaroni and cheese? Crab macaroni and cheese? A TheRicworks production. This is where it gets real.
You're a terrible human being.
John Lawrence. Oh, I know that guy. Terrible kisser. I'm kidding. Hans, I have no idea. I'm not his type. I'm too gooey. Candles. New girl played with candles once. She was a wicked. Vegan too. It's awful.
Candles are always on the list. I'm sure they're not there just because somebody's vegan and won't make it.
Oh, thank God. If there's a vegan in this, I would be beside myself. Matthew Bunsen. Oh, yeah. Leonardo Martinez. Remember that one place we lived in? You didn't know how to lock the bathroom door?
It was my bathroom. I didn't need to lock it.
Hey, I like Becca. Remember that really terrible nickname for Becca that we had? You know.
I don't think you should say that on video.
Hey, Nita! Remember that time she left that Easter egg in the yard? Don't open the fridge, you'll get fat! And the society won't like you as a person! Jessica Wadby?
Jessica Wadley.
Tell me somebody made fun of your last name. As a kid, not that.
I'm surprised you didn't crack a joke about Hibbs being related to hobbits or something.
Oh, Hobbs, Terrible Creatures in Fable 3. Oh, that's dirty. What?
Whoa.
You can't bleed from. Can you bleed from a shower getting hot?
With the worst plumbing ever, you probably
Last
could.
time I ketchup into the shower with me.
Oh.
Oh, she was making a sandwich.
Oh.
As she should be. Her ketchup's not going to be cold anymore. The life of a refrigerator.
Serves her right for bringing it into the damn shower.
Twilight story. Hello, I'm name's Matthew Munson, and you're on Jackass. We're gonna see what happens when you put a light in your eye. Oh, it's bright.
Why doesn't this button work? Button's not working. I'm pushing, but it ain't lighting.
Oh. Oh. The phone rings.
Hello?
Hello there. I have something important to ask you.
Sorry, my mommy said I can't talk to strangers. Hello?
Hello there. On your couch.
Oh, my mama says I can listen to my conscience.
Yes, you should. You'll hang up on this time. Now, I have a very important question.
Oh, what's the question?
Is your refrigerator running?
That's a good one.
No. I'm serious. Is your refrigerator running?
I'm serious. Where is he?
Let me go check.
Okay.
He's got the perfect voice for someone doing a 1-900 number for Downs.
It's all good.
Look again.
Okay. No!
Oh man! This Sunny D is gonna be cold next to his Lunchables and his helmet. Driving an SUV. Isn't that supposed to be un-American?
I think that's pretty much as American as it gets.
You know my favorite thing about America? Women don't have armpit hair.
Really depends on the part of America.
Okay, well I'm not going to Montreal.
Well, this doesn't look like the train station.
Of course, I don't have enough
Whoa.
gas to get us there or me to my house.
Well, do we have to stay here? I mean, look at this place. It's abandoned. It doesn't look like there's been anyone around here for years.
Your point.
We should make
Don't
out.
you ever watch the movies? These are the kind of places that there's going to be a guy inside with a giant cleaver waiting to make skins for its bedroom walls.
You know, this isn't some cheap horror film. If it'll make you feel any better, I'll call one of my friends and have her come and help us.
Well, you know that's not going to work.
And it isn't
All
one of
these
those
horror
things.
movies never have any cell phone reception, even in the most populated of areas or something.
No reception.
Oh!
That's why they should make out. I think that's a perfect
Sure,
idea.
there's
There's
nothing
no
to freak out
reception.
over.
Yeah.
We'll just sleep in the car. I just wish it was spring. I hate the cold.
Do you think I won't try anything, Mike?
I hate the cold. Is the cold right behind me right now?
On second thought, I'll just sleep in the barn.
Oh,
You can have the car.
Good.
shut
That's
down.
cold.
Maybe he should have started light
Come back!
and then like negotiated up to.
Strange. Come right here and then get out there.
You try that next time. Tell me how it works
Yeah,
out for you.
that's great.
Hey, wanna make
Actually,
out?
Go now, so we can actually make this a
See,
distant
I didn't start off funny.
World, see now?
Hey, I think I found this.
I think I would have gone into the creepy barn too. What?
God, passing notes in class not allowed. Oh God, the Slender Man's gonna come
I think
out.
it's some sort of letter from some guy named Paul Postal. Maybe that's
To
what it is?
you.
And it's addressed to you.
Me?
No,
No,
to
it
you.
literally says to you. See?
Upgrade. It's probably one of those homemade explosive devices. I've seen this and how it ends up in the other movie. I don't think it's gonna be funny for us.
What? Like a Looney Tunes movie?
Fran is back. Fran? Who's Fran? You have any
Like-
idea what this is?
God, what's that?
Oh,
Fran
yeah!
Drescher?
He did look happy, didn't he?
You look so happy.
Come on, buddy!
Let me tell
Oh,
you.
kick house back!
I really hope it works out for those two.
Oh God, my ex-wife's in this movie? That makes sense, that's her dandruff. So now I'm gonna start light. It's cold. Oh jeez, Will. What?
Yeah, about that.
Now you were more comfortable with that.
No.
Try that on your next date.
No.
Just call them Will as well.
I hate you.
I
No,
wouldn't
really,
fuck
there's
with
this
that.
guy, he's like killing refrigerators. It happened to me a long time ago.
Okay, all it is some mentally unstable guy drugging people and unplugging refrigerators. There's nothing freaky or
That
crazy
sounds
about
like
that.
Yakima.
Wait. Is there a murder happening behind them?
This is where he is.
Clearly just another kid holding another kid. God.
Why, hello there.
And who are you?
Well, who I am is really not important.
But I could use a recall.
Not Trovosh.
Oh, next part.
Ah, now we're going to part
Oh, I was
3.
gonna say-
Two intermissions.
Are you a superhero?
Oh.
Are you special? Are you super? Can I have your autograph?
You're special.
Not as long as I live.
This will probably.
Aww.
See, he started way too high. You should have been like, wanna make out? More rain! Oh, no! Now I have to pee. Use your cup. This is the music that we used during the Power Rangers. Get pumped up in it.
Yeah. You would think so.
John just looks like a horny bird trying to look in somebody's window up in that tree.
Oh my goodness, are you flying?
Are you fucking?
Yes, actually. So, well, that's a pretty good question. I'm looking for someone.
She looking for
What
that
are
man.
you?
Well, but I'll tell you. Maybe that's what I turn to.
Well, at least you missed the trick. Just the kid in the back with the hoodie, just hiding behind the girl. And then there's a peeping Tom.
No, that's Dimitri Martin. Listen, Rick looks like Dimitri Martin right there.
You know, I'm not even sure why I'm doing this. To be honest, it really goes against my character.
Memory of the
Then
Twin
here I am,
Towers.
slipping around like some kind of low
That
life.
makes me sad.
Good.
I need a
I was
hug.
right.
No.
I haven't introduced myself. My name is Saffron. We'll just go with the first name, and it's all that's going to matter to you. The only reason I'm reading any of this is because I wound up being involved by some crazy guy in a leather jacket and shades.
And shades.
I've been curious about this so-called fridge killer for only one good reason. And no, it's not because he's pulling the plug on refrigerators. It's more about how he's getting away with it. From what I've learned, none of the homes that the victims were ever broken into, as in the locked doors were never tampered with or broken. Somehow, this guy's getting inside without using any of the possible ways to get inside. I've been looking through our town's newspaper, the Outer Rim.
He is a
Yeah,
refrigerator.
I know.
They
What a
never
weird name
suspect.
for a
I think
newspaper.
it's a fridge killing a
There's a
fridge.
good reason behind that, but it has nothing to do with the store, so let's just forget it.
Killers.
From what I can put
Outer
together,
Rim.
these incidents have been going on for the past
Someone did a
month,
bad job on that.
with no connection to one another.
Oh,
other
looks
than
like
the fact
Dad
that all
from
the
Family
victims
Guy.
had refrigerators. That's just something that goes without saying.
Yeah, Holmes, I'm
The
killing
only
the
interesting
fridges.
link I've uncovered was a canceled
Is that a
segment about the
bloodshot?
link between
Rick and his
the fridge
bloodshot.
killer
Really
and
good
ex
though.
postman named
Always
Paul
good
O'Neill.
bloodshot.
The connection was established due to letters he randomly sent to people. The contents inside these letters read that Fran would be back, or the time is now. Fran approaches. The connection was rejected, however, due to local officials confirming that Fran and Paul were a couple. Overall, I feel like this isn't getting anywhere. No one is sure who this costume character is or why he's after fridges. What is the connection between them? And how is he getting inside homes without breaking in?
Maybe it's the microwave.
I'm just still wondering why I even care. I swear I really don't. You see, there's a reason behind why I'm finding all this. And it's
That could have been
because
his boyfriend.
I'm glad you all able to meet here, as I said you would.
Metro Force chose to use my house for his big group meetings. The surprising thing was how he managed to get everyone else together.
Hi, my name's Shades. I'm an alcoholic. Hi, Shades.
Very dangerous. Dangerous? Will you save me?
I could be your hero,
Yeah, we
baby.
know he's dangerous, but who is he?
Almost an uncomfortable, awkward
He's
moment.
become a threat to the people. Why do I look for him? Because he's a killer.
It's like, can you save me? Boop.
Killing refrigerators.
Should have known.
I've been tracking this thing for some time now, and I've learned a lot. These are some of these victims. Most of them are from around here, but there are a couple of exceptions.
Are they really pictures of fridges?
So why did you get these?
It's for a cause. Hey, where'd you get that? Why do you have these? Well, once again, it's for a cause.
Right, for a cause.
You know, this fridge killer's a cool
Kills
customer.
refrigerators?
I hate
This is bogus.
Wait!
Stop right there. You can't walk away from this.
The way I see this, you're just as bad as the mental case running around. Both of you guys are pulling the same breaking in crap.
I'm going to bring this man to justice. You are now involved. I'm the hero, and you're supposed to be supportive. So start being supportive.
Yeah, you're a support class. Give me some busts and some heels.
There's something different about him.
Well, yes, you're right. What do you mean?
Looks like just another victim to
Well,
me.
at least he's an honest psychopath.
Yeah.
No, that's not what I meant. See, he's not terrified. It's almost like he's observing it.
So what?
I think we need to pay him a visit.
I think we need to pay him in rupees.
Time to cut the grass.
It's gonna be the architect. So, you think it's fridges they're killing? We've done this 6 times already.
No doubt about it.
So what now?
Guess we knock and see if anyone's home.
Thanks, Dimitri Martin.
I'm sorry, but this is a private facility. I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
Doesn't hire us. We need to talk to you. That's why we're here.
We're the Powerpuff Girls.
Always the common folk.
Maybe we should leave.
Looks like
No.
looks like a fat version of the professor.
I got false imposter. Never time to show up at my doorstep. Prepare to die with some of it.
Knock it off already. You're not the only victim here. I know you know about the others.
It doesn't look so good. I'll let him go now.
You should stop loosely grabbing the man, please.
Very well. You may enter.
And he shuts the door. Right? Jerk. Oh, and
He
then
has his limit.
that was a power grab right there. Like when someone's constantly late to something, so you have to wait for them. Who is that, I wonder?
Moles?
Really? Like moles or like moles?
You will follow me.
Like
The claims indeed true. There have been many victims, possibly in the hundreds. Although, many only in this town. All the incidents, I've been able to develop an equation based upon my conclusion. It is highly educated, very hard to comprehend, but it is truth.
The truth.
So, what would this be? Yeah. This is the solution behind the madman.
Zombies.
Zombies.
Fridge.
At least you put the time to put in a plus and
Pardon my
Yeah.
rather concerning partner. He's a little obsessed with things returning from the dead.
I dare say you want my conclusion?
It has no scientific fact behind it.
Did you know that only 1 in 4 zombies can climb a ladder?
And we're back.
Oh, wow, wonderful.
Okay, here we go.
They will come!
What was
Not
the beeping
sounding
for?
It's scary.
To be honest, that was a waste of time. Come on, let's get out of here.
Zombies
They
are
lost-
never a waste of time.
They lost some people.
Common folk, always afraid of the truth. They come back. They always come back.
Zombies.
Last time.
Now, despite the trip to the lab being a waste of time, somehow or other Nitro managed to come up with an idea of his own when we got back.
Duct tape. Duct tape is the solution to this.
Duct tape is the solution to a lot of things.
Yeah, sure. Now she'll go out with me. I got duct tape.
To be honest, it wasn't all that impressive, but hey, what else did we have? So, we took advantage of his suggestion and decided to use duct tape. For a while, it actually seemed like it was working pretty well.
Oh, the duct tape is gonna prevent.
Being pulled out of the out. Good.
I should have reversed it so he got stuck, and he would like,
Oh.
duct tape, my only weakness. Scissors.
Next part.
That.
Part 3. Hey, remember part 2 back in the day? Oh no, he's gonna get a haircut in the dark. Madness! Oh, there can only be one fridge.
However, who would have thought that the French killer would actually plan on changing his own tactics?
Time to get a haircut below this curtain. Ooh,
I think he's having a problem.
that's not even his final form.
Oh.
Jake, you don't want to grow lice too, and you have to go to the clinic for electricity.
I bet he does.
Oh man. Whoa. Well. Now he'll get all the ladies with electricity.
Oh, wait, but.
These
Excuse me.
He just rose people from the dead. Dear cheese and rice, that man was right. Because he's been killing the fridges, taking their souls, and implanting them in zombies.
You've cracked the case. One minute.
Wow. In that group is Matt's character, the Scooby.
Oh, like Scrappy.
Oh no!
Holy.
Dumb guy, I think he's bitten by a zombie. Oh man. Your mascara's running. You want a knife to fix that? I can't tell if they bit him or hurt his feelings.
Well, they're hurt a little bit more now.
Oh, they just trampled him. No, we have to hug you! I saw a lot of flashing. It's kind of like a rock concert.
That's how you know it's intense.
Yeah.
Well, what more you need? Proof! They exist!
They exist.
Well, what would you do now about the living dead?
It's a gift basket.
Wanted me to have a bag.
Oh,
Just might work.
a laser gun? What?
You were being optimistic.
Yes. This will work.
Maybe we're wrong and they're not zombies. Maybe they're Justin Bieber fans.
Maybe they just have really bad toothaches and they need somebody to understand their pain, so they're coming up to them. No!
Yeah.
You don't eat that much sugar! Fear not, we will save you.
No, don't turn her into a refrigerator or a zombie. What about another zombie? No? Oh no! It's that guy from the lab! Who created the Powerpuff Girls?
Wrong a second time.
Uh-oh. Hi!
This isn't worth it.
No, crazy zombie man! Don't take your own life!
No.
Oh, he's not? I can't tell if he hit anyone or if he's a stormtrooper.
He's gonna get me. No.
He's gonna slowly stumble towards me.
No, don't tickle me! In his head. Baby, 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 oh. Oh. Woo!
You're gonna die, clown!
Oh! Oh my gosh, he's Adam Sandler's father.
Hello, Dad. I missed you. We haven't spoken in a while.
Wait, you sound like my conscience.
Let's see if we can make you a little smarter.
Don't tase me, bro! Don't tase me!
I'm fairly certain no matter how much electricity you pump into him, he's not gonna gain any intelligence.
No.
That's 2 equals 22.
Well, wow. Your science is flawed.
Oh, that's close enough.
It's enough.
I'll make you smart before you
I
die.
have to go.
Hello, Dimitri Martin. You're safe once again.
Sounds like it's quieting down out there.
In between the machine gun, the sword-wielding sunglass, leather jacket man, and, the plasma cannon. Seems like it's calming down outside.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Yeah, because you have terrible friends. That's why you have a bad feeling.
There's gotta be something I could do. Anything, right? I mean, for all I know, it could already be 2.
No, don't do it. Don't listen to Good Charlotte and shoot yourself. You can do that without playing the radio.
Maybe there was something I could do. Maybe.
You ever think to yourself, let's nerf some zombies?
Zombies LP. Need to be nerfed.
Yeah.
It's nerf or nothing.
You're the nerf herder.
I'm not scruffy enough. You're much more scruffy.
Like chains will protect us. This sword is made of plastic. My coolness will affect all zombies. Turn and rebuke undead and nerds.
You.
Is he? Oh, okay.
Don't you reckon it's that new Kanye West song? Oh, he can teleport? That's not fair. Okay, stabby, stabby, stabby. Oh, what a tease!
What is this?
I think you understand definition of teases.
Like you thought he was gonna kill him, but then he wasn't. Not like, oh, is that God's fridge? Nice. Do you think God drinks microbrews?
No.
Oh, there we go. Final showdown. The ultimate showdown.
What was that strange sound?
Just jealous. It's the Beastie Boys.
I've been waiting for this for a very long time.
Is that a piccolo? Or that's a recorder. No. No, that's a blade. The lighting, it looked like he was gonna play the Song of Time. Going back 7 years.
Wait, when did his dress get replaced by jeans?
What? No, he didn't wear a dress.
The black cloak.
Yeah.
And now the jeans.
Probably because he had to run.
Oh, next part.
Oh, part 4. The final countdown.
Finale.
Scooby-Doo-Doo, where are you? I want to know, why are there 2 other hallways with just doors connected to other hallways? You can't see him if his shades are on.
You'll never catch me.
Oh, come on.
That's inherent in any good story. A villain has to be overpowered and cheap. Deal with it.
Oh no, the rain again. Oh, I really should have peed before I woke up this morning. Time to put on some pants and a jacket. Gotta lure up the nerve because I'm Dimitri Martin. I hate you. Just because you're a Dane Cook fan. Hey everyone, I got some jokes. Kinda. Oh. Where did you go to sword school? Why is he fighting the Emperor / refrigerator murderer? You know what pisses me off? He's not paying attention to his fridges anymore. He's starting to kill real people.
I thought you would
Why?
be pissed off that
Why are you doing this? Because
you. So I must turn on refrigerators.
you always jealous of me. I was cool when you were just a boy. All this time, for many years we lived next to each other. You were my neighbor. Did you ever come trick-or-treating at my house on Halloween? Come into my room, eat all the candy, take a nap in my bed. You deserve to die. But then one day, you decided to take all of your frustrations of your meaningless life out on me. You came to my house. You know what you did? Killed me.
You stuck me into a fridge.
You killed someone for their sunglasses. You know what that's like? It's like punching someone in the dick and taking their shotgun.
Weeks I lived in that refrigerator. After I went through all of the lunch meat and processed cheese, I was down to nothing but tofu and rice. As if through fate, I was reborn as something much, much greater. Now,
This bad guy is the equivalent of something Mercedes left way too long in the fridge.
No pun intended on fridges.
Pickled asparagus type stuff. No, you have 5 shots. It's 6.
6 actually. Yeah.
6, yeah. Just go up and pow. Nice!
That'll do it.
Yeah.
Jim.
Oh.
Oh.
And that's pretty much how it ended, with the two of them being knocked out the way they were. In the aftermath, everything became clear why this was all happening. Getting the chance to sit down and talk with these two. Who would have thought his stupid mistake led to the rest of us having to suffer in such unusual ways?
Stupid
I guess
mistake.
in the end result,
He murdered someone for
Sebastian
glasses.
and Jonathan cleaning up the zombie mess. And in the end result, everything kind of turned back to normal.
No big deal.
Yeah.
Should have shot him
Pretty
too
much,
with the
Nitro's
Nerf gun.
vowed to try to solve problems without being the one that caused them. And Fran, the fridge killer, has vowed to pretty much neglect his wrath against refrigerators and take the full brunt of his vengeance upon Nitro himself rather than the rest of us. So I guess in the end result, everything did turn back to normal. However, apparently Nitro found a way to integrate in a few new team members to his cause.
Forcibly recruited. It's called conscription. The English used to do that. So, the lesson, and what did we learn from this movie?
That I never want to sit next to you again?
Or you shouldn't stuff Hans in a fridge so he could die and then take his glasses and then also ship him American Airlines.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Okay, also, you should never ever allow Matt to be around things that are dangerous because he seemed a little downs. I feel really bad for that guy. So what's your big takeaway from the movie?
Don't mess with somebody if their name is Fran.
I've never met anyone named Fran.
Then you're fine.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I like the concept of this movie, and I really liked the acting because it was so overboard. Like everyone, you could tell was passionate about making sure people know the dangers of stuffing someone in the fridge and murdering them, and then having him come back as a necromancer with really cool eyes. That the thing kind of looked like, why do you have a jaw but not as like weak?
That's what you took away from it. I'm happy about that. Good.
Maybe murder isn't, like, I don't want to be judgmental and say murder's wrong, but you shouldn't use something that will, you know, like, you keep your food in there. It's gross. And why did he die? Should no one else live in that house? And there's no one like, well, maybe I want some food. Oh, hi Hans, how you doing anyway? Nope, stay in there. You're in there for a reason. Cool down. So anyway, that was Will and Tom watching The Life of a Refrigerator Killer. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
I really don't.
We're gonna go, do some of their life.